Pendulum Glucose Control Review. Does it really help? Today I tested it out and here's what happened. And if you're considering using Pendulum Glucose Control to support healthy blood sugar levels, this will help you understand quickly whether it's worth trying. Pendulum Glucose Control is a probiotic supplement designed to support metabolic health by focusing on the bacteria that live in the gut. The idea behind it is that certain beneficial microbes can influence how the body processes carbohydrates and manages glucose levels. Instead of working like a typical supplement that adds vitamins or herbs, this one focuses on restoring specific bacterial strains linked to metabolic balance. Using it is simple. The usual routine is taking the recommended capsules each day with water alongside a meal. Consistency is important because probiotics work gradually. The goal is to introduce beneficial bacteria into the digestive system so they can become established over time. The formula contains several strains of beneficial bacteria that have been studied for their role in metabolic health. Some of these strains are believed to help support the body's natural response to glucose after meals. By encouraging a healthier gut environment, the supplement aims to support more stable blood sugar levels when combined with healthy habits. Another feature of this product is the focus on maintaining the strength of the probiotic strains so they survive the digestive process. That helps ensure the bacteria reach the intestines where they can interact with the gut microbiome. Without this type of protection, many probiotics break down before they become effective. In everyday use, people who try this type of supplement often look for gradual improvements rather than immediate results. That may include more stable energy levels throughout the day or better control of post-meal blood sugar spikes when paired with balanced meals. It is important to remember that a probiotic clone cannot replace medical treatment or lifestyle changes. Blood sugar management depends heavily on diet, exercise, sleep, and overall health habits. A supplement like this is designed to support those efforts rather than replace them. Another practical point is consistency. Probiotics generally need regular use for several weeks before noticeable changes appear. Skipping doses or using them irregularly may reduce their effectiveness. So does it really help? For some individuals, supporting the gut microbiome with targeted probiotic strains may help improve how the body responds to food and glucose levels. However, results vary from person to person depending on diet, lifestyle, and existing gut health. If you're looking for a supplement that focuses on gut health as part of metabolic support, Pendulum Glucose Control can be a useful option when used consistently alongside healthy daily habits.